back again today with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about the TicWatch E3. To be honest, this kind of watch, since it was announced, I was really pumped, but today we're having it here on my hand. Yeah, as you can see guys, it's really nice one. We're gonna unbox it and see what's packed throughout this kind of watch. I'm really so excited with this kind of TicWatch E3. It's powered by Android Wear and it's a really nice one, and it has a Snapdragon processor 4100, which is really cool throughout this kind of TicWatch E3. And something which is so good about it, it has a speaker and a microphone, so you can speak directly throughout the watch, which is really kind of cool. So let us just get started throughout this video of today and unbox our bad boy. So yeah, so guys, here we have it. This is our TicWatch E3. We're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed. I'm really pumped throughout this kind of watch, to be honest. I'm really pumped because it's really iconic, I can say, to be honest, throughout this kind of watch, and it's packed with a great and amazing kind of feature. As you can see throughout the box here, there's a speaker and mic support and another kind of stuff. It has a play on the go with Google Play. It has a Google Assistant. It has powerful GPS built in, 1000 plus watch faces on Google Play, and another kind of stuff throughout the what you get throughout the box. You're getting the watch, you're getting the USB charging dock and the user manual, which is really kind of cool. Another kind of stuff what you're getting here, you're getting a Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 4100 platform, 2.5D curved display, IP68 and swim suitable, 20 plus professional workout modes with Tic Motion technology, 24 hours and 24/7 HD heart rate, blood oxygen, saturated monitoring, stress, and all of that you're getting throughout this kind of watch. So enough of me talking, let us just see what's packed throughout this kind of bad boy. So whoa, there we go. As you can see, I really love the art, which it's somewhere here. It's really cool. We're gonna remove this one first and keep this one aside. And what you're getting inside, you're getting the charging. So this is its charging here. It's a magnetic, I think, which goes here, which is really kind of awesome. You can remove this one and see what's going on in here, and you can see here what's happening. It's a really long, I think this is 1.2 meters, I guess so. Another kind of stuff what you're getting through the box, you're getting paperwork. So as you can see here, these are the paperwork that you're getting throughout reading and know what's happening throughout your watch, which is really kind of cool. So there we go. This is our bad boy. As you can see guys, it's a really nice watch, to be honest, and I really love it. As you can see guys, the material throughout here, it's plastic made, which is really kind of cool, and it's really awesome. At the back you can see how much it is. So this kind of cable goes throughout here at the back for charging it, so it stays this way, I think so. Just it goes, okay, it goes this way. So yeah, that's how it goes, which is really kind of cool. Another kind of stuff, there's sensors here, which is really awesome. So this is how it looks like on the display side. I wish it could be not having this bezel in this side, but anyways, it's still a nice one. So I'm gonna remove this one and we start our watch here. So the goodness is I'm using a Google Pixel, so it makes it really easy to pair with this watch. So guys, here we have it. This is our watch. We can tap on this kind of button here to bring us more apps, and as you can see guys, it's really smooth, to be honest. Really smooth. I don't find any kind of issues whereby the watch might be having problem. And this side you can control the brightness the way you want to, and it's really cool. Swiping down, there is notification side, which is great, and tapping on this button bring you the activity you want throughout the watch, which is really great. And on this side you can set up your watch type and many more, and as you can see on this side, it's WhatsApp, dropping by, and many more stuff going on, which is really awesome. Tapping on this button you can go back to back, and throughout here, going on this side, we can go back to apps. I wish there could be this kind of button to be able to just you know, scrolling like a Mazfit GTR 3 Pro. It has that kind of feature, which is really awesome. I was really enjoying on that. And not only that, we can go on this side and open up Play Store. So we're having Play Store on this kind of watch. Just know that it's an Android wear, so you might be having a Play Store, and it's really dope. And you can even make some gestures, tilt to wake and stuff like that. If you just want to tilt to wake up, it's really good. For navigation, there's a wrist gestures, which if you do this way, it does the gestures and stuff if you like to. And you can even watch a tutorial how to do this kind of wrist gestures just like that, the way it shows you. It's really awesome. This reminds me of the Moto 360. It was really cool watch, and it's awesome. So guys, that's what's up about our watch here. It's a really nice one, to be honest. The TicWatch E3 is the way to go, because if you're coming out throughout the family of the Amazfit lineup, well, the Wear OS, it's a really nice one to give it a try. And I've been using the Wear OS because it gives me bunch of apps, and it's really cool. You can do bunch of stuff through this kind of watch, and it's really remarkable, to be honest. The way the processor it is, the Snapdragon 4100, it's a really nice one. And it has a 1 GB of RAM and an 8 GB of ROM, which you can store your stuffs here. But to be honest, I won't store anything throughout the watch. I'll be using it, downloading the apps, and it will just utilize really great. And another kind of stuff throughout the watch, it gives you like a heart rate sensor for measuring, and it's really cool. And we didn't do like testing throughout the heart rate sensor, but on the speaker side throughout calling, I've tried it. It's really nice. But the only thing I had a problem is all about the interference with the network. So but on the speaker side, it's a really nice speaker. So it's a really nice watch, to be honest, and it comes throughout a budget lineup, not that much high-end price. It's a really budget, I can say, and another kind of stuff. So yeah, you can just give it a try, and I'll leave a link down below in the description so as you can have a look at it and check it out for more details. What's up guys, up to on the next one. It's your boy here, Abdurrahim13. Catch you guys on the next one. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, peace.